kids, today I'm going to make this pig and I'm going to show you how to do it. So all you need is a paper plate, some construction paper, googly eyes, marker, and glue. So I'm going to go ahead and fold my construction paper, and if you need help doing this, make sure to ask for help. So now I'm going to draw the ears. So I folded the paper earlier so that I can have two ears when I'm done cutting, okay? So I'm going to have two ears with the same size. So at this point I'm using the pink paper to draw a oval, and the oval is going to be the nose area of the pig, okay? I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, and make sure to ask for help if you need help cutting your paper, okay? And now I'm going to cut the nose area of the paper that I'm going to use at the nose area. You want to measure it, and just in case you want to cut it some more, you measure it and cut it some more. And now I'm going to cut a piece of paper so that I can make the inner part of the ears. So now it's time to glue the papers together. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some glue to the black paper that I cut out, and I'm going to glue the pink part onto the black part. And I'm going to repeat that step for the two ears. Now I'm going to add some glue to the bottom, and I'm going to set that right behind the paper plate. And repeat the same step for the other side. Now I'm going to glue the nose part, the nose section, onto the plate like this. I'm going to glue the eyes onto the paper plate. And now I'm going to mark out the nose. And the mouth. And also I'm going to make this pig black and white. So I'm going to draw some black areas in which I'm going to shade. You can make your pig whatever color you like. So there you have it, my pig is all done. Thanks for watching and bye for now.